Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. In today's tutorial, I'll be walking you through the process of writing an L1 visa application letter. If you are being transferred to a US office within your company, this visa is essential for making your move official. A well-written application letter ensures that United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS, has all the necessary details to process your case smoothly. In this video, I'll explain each part of the letter, following the exact structure of the provided template without skipping or rearranging any sections. So, if you're applying for an L1 visa and want to make sure your application stands out, keep watching. Sender's information, providing your personal details. At the very top of the letter, you need to include your personal details. This helps USCIS identify you and process your application correctly. Your details should include your full name, your complete address, including city, zip code, and country, your email address, your phone number. Here's an example of how this section should look. John Doe, 123 Maple Avenue, Toronto, Ontario, M5, A1B2, Canada, johndoe@email.com, +1 416 12 34567. Including this information up front ensures that USCIS has your contact details in case they need further clarification. Date, indicating when you are writing the letter. Next, you need to include the date when you are submitting the letter. This is important for record keeping and helps USCIS track your application timeline. The format should be April 15, 2025. Be sure to use the correct date format and ensure it aligns with your submission. Recipient's information, addressing the USCIS properly. Now you need to correctly address the letter to the USCIS Service Center handling your case. This should include the full name of the organization, United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS, the specific service center's address, the city, state, and zip code. For example, United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS, California Service Center, 24,000 Avila Road, Laguna Niguel, California, 92677, USA. Always verify that you are sending the letter to the correct USCIS Service Center associated with your petition to avoid delays in processing. Subject line, clearly stating the purpose of the letter. Your subject line should be straightforward and professional. This helps USCIS officers quickly identify your case. Your subject should be L-1 visa application for John Doe. This ensures that your application is properly categorized and linked to your petition. Salutation, a respectful greeting. Since this letter is being submitted to an official agency, the greeting should be formal. Use Dear Sir or Madam. This keeps the tone professional while addressing any officer handling your case. Opening paragraph, stating the purpose of your letter. In the opening paragraph, you should clearly state that you are applying for an L1 visa and specify that this is an intra-company transfer. It's also important to mention the details of your transfer, including the names of both your current employer and the US company you will be working for. For example, I am writing to submit my application for an L1 visa in connection with my intra-company transfer from Global Tech Solutions in Toronto, Canada, to its affiliated company, Global Tech USA, located at 456 Innovation Drive, New York, 10001 in the United States. I have been employed with Global Tech Solutions since March 2018, and I have been offered the position of Senior IT Manager at the US branch. This paragraph sets the foundation for your application by confirming your transfer details and explaining why your move to the US is official. Professional background, explaining your qualifications and role. In this paragraph, you need to highlight your work experience and how it qualifies you for the L1 visa. USCIS wants to ensure that you are an essential employee whose transfer benefits the company's operations. For example, during my tenure with Global Tech Solutions, I have gained extensive experience in IT infrastructure management and cybersecurity, which aligns with the responsibilities of my new role. My transfer to the US office is essential for leading the company's expansion into cloud security solutions and ensuring seamless operational continuity. This section emphasizes your expertise and contributions to the company. reinforcing why your transfer is necessary. Supporting documents, strengthening your application. Providing clear documentation is crucial to ensuring USCIS has all the necessary information to process your visa. Listing these documents in your letter helps the reviewing officer quickly verify your credentials. Your letter should state, "Enclosed are the required supporting documents for my L1 visa application, including a copy of my L1 petition approval, formalletter 797, a detailed letter from my employer confirming my transfer, my valid passport, copy of biodata page, evidence of my employment with global tech solutions, such as pay stubs, tax records, or company letters, organizational charts and company details demonstrating my role in the company, additional supporting documents as required." By listing these documents clearly, you make it easier for USCIS officers to process your application without unnecessary delays. Final request and contact information. Before closing, you should politely request that USCIS review your application favorably and offer to provide additional information if needed. For example, "I appreciate your time and consideration in reviewing my application. Please let me know if any further information is needed. I look forward to your positive response." This reassures USCIS that you are cooperative and willing to comply with any further requirements. Closing and signature. End your letter with a professional closing statement. Sincerely then, sign off with your full name, John Doe. This maintains a formal and respectful tone, leaving a positive impression. And that's how you write an L1 visa application letter. This letter plays a crucial role in ensuring a smooth visa application process, so make sure to structure it properly and include all necessary details. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Practices. If you have any questions or need guidance on another visa letter, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.